Having several $100,000s on hand to purchase a home is pretty uncommon, which is why most home buyers require financing to purchase a home. But what are the options for home buyers when it comes to funding their mortgage? I'm Hillary Ryan with Blue Coast Realty, and let's look at mortgage funding options. First, there are chartered banks. The big banks like RBC, TD, CIBC, and Scotiabank are all offering mortgages. They're a go-to for many first-time home buyers because they're a household name and because they offer a wide range of products, from variable rate mortgages to fixed rate mortgages and even special programs for first-time home buyers. The big banks may be able to offer lower interest rates than some other lenders. Second, there are trust and loan companies. These are companies like Equitable Bank and First National Financial. They're regulated by the federal government, and they often have more flexible lending criteria than the big banks. So if you don't fit into the typical mold of a borrower, they may be a good option for you. Third, there are life insurance companies. Some life insurance companies like Manulife and Sun Life offer mortgages as well, and they're often willing to work with people who may not have that perfect credit. Fourth, you may be able to use pension funds. Your pension fund may be willing to lend you the money to buy a home under certain conditions, but you'll likely need a down payment of at least 20%, and the interest rate may be a bit higher than what you get from the bank. Fifth, there are credit unions. Credit unions are organizations that give people with good credit an opportunity to borrow money. They work similar to big banks, but they have less strict lending criteria. Credit unions typically pride themselves on excellent customer service. Sixth, you can use private sources to finance your mortgage. If you know somebody who has money to lend, they may be willing to give you a loan. This is usually in the form of friends, family, or an acquaintance. But be prepared to pay a higher interest rate than you would with a bank or other traditional lender. So there you have it. These are some of the places where you can get your funding for your mortgage. If you need financing for an upcoming mortgage, we're working closely with Dominion Lending Services. Feel free to reach out, and welcome home to the Blue Coast.